Hi, mathematicians. How are ya? Okay, we're back. You should have just done reading and then now hopping on. If you haven't done reading, that's okay. You do whatever you need to do. Okay, so here we are for math for Wednesday, April 8th. We are going to do some more graphing, but this time we're going to be doing some comparison problems. So we're going to do one about kickball and tag, and then I'm going to move my chart up, and we're going to do one more together so that you guys can see how we do some comparing when we're looking at graphing and data. So if you want to get a pencil and a piece of paper and do this with me and create a graph with me, that's awesome. If you just want to watch along and listen, that's fine too. So I'll give you a second. If you need to get a pencil and a piece of paper and you want to do this with me, awesome. Okay, so we're going to get started. I want you to listen to this story about kickball and tag, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and move along and solve this problem together. Okay. A teacher asked some of her students, which do you like better, kickball or tag? Okay. 5 students like kickball. 2 more students like tag than kickball. How many students like tag? Ooh. Okay, so the question we want to figure out is how many students like tag. So I'm going to go back and let's listen and let's see if we can figure out how many kids like kickball. A teacher asked some of her students, which do you like better, kickball or tag? 5 students like kickball. Okay, well, what do we need to do under kickball? Yeah, we need to show that 5 kids like kickball because it tells us 5 kids like kickball. So I am going to just do check marks, and you can do whatever you want at home. Make sure you're keeping up with me though, okay? Kickball. So I want to do 5 kids like kickball. All right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 check marks. 5 kids like kickball. All right. Let's listen to the next part. 2 more students like tag than kickball. Okay, did it say 2 students like tag? No, it didn't say 2 students like tag. Listen, 2 more students like tag than kickball. Okay, so the way that I hear that is that more kids like tag and 2 more like tag. So that means I need to make tag the same as kickball, and then I need to add more. Okay, so let's do that. Let's first make tag the same as kickball. So let's draw 5 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so now they're the same, okay? And then it says 2 more students like tag than kickball. So that's telling me that if I need to add more, I need to add 2 more students like tag. Let's go ahead and add 2 more students that like tag. 1, 2. Whoop, I went a little bit above my chart there. All right. So now the question says, how many students like tag? Well, now I just need to count and figure out how many like tag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 kiddos liked tag. Okay? So our equation that we could write for that. Let me get a different colored marker here. Okay, so the equation that I would write would be 5 kids liked kickball. Okay, 5 kids liked kickball. The equation said that 2 more than that like tag. So that means if I heard more, so I need to add 2 more kids like kickball than tag. So how many kids like tag? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 kids like tag. Cool. Awesome. So another way that we can look at this, kind of like what we did yesterday, was we want to know how many more tag has. Sorry, I keep like moving around. I can draw where they're the same, right? I can find, okay, here's where they're the same, and then there's 2 more up here. So I know that I did this right. I'm double checking, going back and looking. I know that I did this right because I find where they're the same, and then I see, oh, there's 2 more, and that's exactly what it said. It said 2 more kids like tag than kickball. Awesome. So we know that 5 here plus 2 up here equals 7. So our answer is 7. 7 kiddos liked, 7 kids liked tag. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and move my chart paper up, and we are going to do another problem just like that. We're gonna do that one together. Oh, Mr. Lindley just started mowing the lawn. I hope you can't hear him in my video. Okay. All right, so now we're looking at green and yellow. Okay, are you ready? Here is our problem. A teacher asked some of her students, which color do you like better, green or yellow? Okay, 9 students like green, 4 fewer like yellow than green. How many students like yellow? Ooh, I noticed something different about this problem. I heard the word fewer, so I know we're going to be subtracting because I know fewer means less. It means counting back. It means taking away. All right, so I have green and yellow markers. I ordered some markers off of Amazon so I could teach you guys on here. I hope it's helping. Okay, so I got my green and my yellow markers. All right, so I'm going to go back and let's see that says, which color do you like better, green or yellow? 9 students like green. Okay, so I'm going to take my green marker and I'm going to mark that 9 students like green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, there's my 9 students like green. Okay, now it says that 4 fewer students like yellow than green. 4 fewer. So that means 4 less. So 4 less than green. Okay, so actually, you know what? I'm going to write our equation now. I think we could do it now. We know that 9 students like green, okay? And then it says 4 fewer. So that means 4 less, which means that I need to take away 4. So take 4 away to equal, and then that will tell us how many kids liked yellow, okay? So here's what I'm going to do. Watch me. There are so many different ways that you guys could do this. I know there's 9. I'm going to count 4. Take 4 away. Take 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to take those away, and I'm going to draw a line there. Because it said take 4 away from 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. I took those away. Now I can just draw my yellow checks. How many check marks did I draw? Oh, that's kind of hard for you guys to see. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I have 9 and I take 4 away, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. Also, if you come up with your equation, well, you can count backwards. 9, count back 4 spots. 8, 7, 6, 5. 4. Sorry. So I counted back 4 spots and I got to the number 5. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. And I said the word 5, so that means I'm going to write the number 5 here. So how many students chose yellow as the color that they liked better? 5. 5 students chose yellow. All right. So that was another sort of, both of these were 2 different types of problems, or was asking you to compare them. So it didn't tell you how many students chose tag, and it didn't tell you how many students chose yellow. You had to use that mathematician brain to figure it out on your own, and I think that we did a good job. Awesome. So you guys are going to hop on over to Dojo, and on Dojo, I have an assignment for you posted for today, and it is a penny jar problem. So you are going to be looking and finding the number that is missing.